Hi, this is David Maloney from Small Business Planned. Today I'm going to talk about how to find the best domain host. To do this, I'm going to go through 7 key criteria that you need to assess, and also I'm going to give my recommendation. But first, a basic overview. Your website host stores your website on its servers, represented by the green server in the middle of this picture, and transmits it to other users whenever they visit your site. It's essential that you get the best hosting provider to ensure the relationship between your users and your website runs as smoothly as possible. If you log into the internet and type domain hosting into Google, you'll find there are about 45 million search results. This is a lot of choice. So how do you sort the best host providers from the amateurs? Here are my 7 tips for choosing the best domain host. Number 1, does the host provide an uptime guarantee? The best hosts will guarantee an uptime of 99.9%. That means that in any given month or in any given year, your website will be online 99.9% of the time. The second tip is, does your host offer a modest bandwidth allowance? The greater your bandwidth allowance, the more visitors can visit your site. If, for instance, you have a low bandwidth allowance and you surpass this quota, this means that any further visitors to your website won't be able to access it. They'll simply get a blank screen. The third essential tip for choosing a website host: does the website host offer a modest website space allowance? So just as files take up space on your computer, so does a website take up space on your hosting provider. The greater the space that they allow you, the bigger the website you can build. The fourth tip: does your hosting provider offer a help desk? Is this help desk accessible, and are they prompt in answering your queries? A good help desk will be accessible via telephone, email, and also online chat. Tip number 5, obviously, you want a good deal. I want a good deal. Everyone wants a good deal. You need to choose a hosting provider that is the best price for your needs. The 6th tip: is it easy to install programs on the host provider? Is it easy to install WordPress or Joomla or Blogger, any of those other programs? And the 7th tip: does the host offer a money back guarantee? So if after, for instance, a month I'm not happy with their service, am I able to cancel without any penalty? Now here's my recommendation for the best hosting provider out there. They offer an uptime guarantee of 99.9% per month. They have an unlimited bandwidth allowance. They have an unlimited web space allowance. They have a help desk that's accessible 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, or plus another day if it's a leap year. It's also accessible via telephone, email, and online chat. You can get hosting from about $5 a month, upwards of $10 or $20, depending on what your needs are. But if you just have a basic website, $5 a month, no problems. Easy installation. You don't need to be tech savvy. You just have to click a few buttons. And if you ever run into any trouble, you can just go back to the help desk and chat with them online on how to install anything you want. Money back guarantee offers 45 days. So anytime within the first 45 days, if you're not happy with the service that they are delivering, you just cancel, no questions asked. So who is this hosting provider? Well, I use and 100% recommend the services of HostGator. You can check them out online at hostgator.com. And as an added bonus, you can also enter the coupon code SMALLBUSINESSPLANNED, that's without any spaces, to secure another discount. which will get you about $10 off your hosting charges, which is another bonus. For more tips, check out my site at smallbusinessplanned.com.